Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Maziwe. Imena ingane yamakhehla madala amakhehla amakhulu amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyawamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing and sharing light for the world to become better. On today's video, I want to teach about prayer. Why am I teaching about prayer? And I want to speak to specific people who are gifted in prayer like myself. Abaqalayo kule journey, abasafundayo kule journey yomkhuleko, and I just want to speak to those people. And when you are chosen in your family to break generational curses, ngawo wona ini umthandazo. One thing I need to highlight, it's not going to be easy, but with God everything is possible. You have to pray and open your heart, like I said in my previous video. And mawulokolo ukhuleka uvulile inhliziyo yakho, uyambulelwa izinto ezenzakala ngokomoya. Lezi zinto ezenzakala ngokomoya akusizi into ekumele ukuthi zikuthuse, kodwa izinto ekumele ukuthi uyiqonde, uzibheke, uyilwise and speak against them, because uyazibona ukuthi nazi izinto ezicindezela ekhaya, naba bantu abacindezela ekhaya, naba bantu abayenza ububi. What do you do then when you just speak ukhanya ukulunga konke ukuthi kuhambe kahle, uxoshe ini umoya omubi? And nayo into abantu abangayazi, when you are chosen ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho, it means that God has given you authority. And that authority means whatever you say ngomlomo wakho, it shall happen the way you said it. So ngizibona ngami, because for a lot of years I've been fighting with prayer, but I would fight and ask God for protection. God for protection. uNkulunkulu angifuni nqambela manje uvikile. But kunezinye ibonakalise ngibe ngazibona where I was shown what needs to happen. So some of the things that we are shown kumele ukuthi zenzakala ukuze ukuthi kulunge ekhaya, thina sinokusaba. Sometimes someone must pass on ngaphakathi kwekhaya. Thola ukuthi kukhona umuntu owenza izinto ezi-wrong, and lo muntu ukuthi nize nilungelo kuzomela ukuthi asuke ngaphakathi kwekhaya. And wena lapho uzibhekile ukuthi I can't, really, this is tough. Why kanti uNkulunkulu angaveli? uNkulunkulu angeke ayehle emazulwini ezokulungisela. He has appointed you. He has given you the power. He has given you the authority. He has given you visions. Wena okwakho khuleka ukhulume ukulunga, khuleka uxoshe umoya omubi, khuleka. And the more ukhuleka ulwisa lo moya omubi, trust you me, kuzowa abantu bongabacabangela ukuthi bazo bese bayawa. You do not have to feel guilty, but trust you me, by the time you get to the level where you just ukhuluma ukuthi yazini konke okubi okumnyama okucindezela ikhaya akufe ngegama lika Jesu, by the time you get to the point, uzobe sowuzwile, uzobe sowukhathele. Uzobe sowuzwile, uzobe sowukhathele. Because of another thing, people think God cannot see. uNkulunkulu uyabona bakwethu, ubonile ngaphakathi yakho, uyayazi inhliziyo yakho, uyazi ukuthi wayakhethile ukuthi ube yi-chosen one ezokwazi ukulwisa lo moya omubi phakathi kwekhaya. Uyakwazi ukuthi awukhohlakalanga, but at the same time yeba ukhohlakalanga. And when you fight with them, you'll be fighting with love. You're not going to be fighting with une-eng. You'll be fighting umela laba abacindezelekile abangakwazi ukuyikhulumela. So you speak lapha with power and authority. Ulwe xa umkhuleko. Kuba nzima nyanyana ke. Mina ngiyathanda ke ukugoqa whenever I'm praying. Mina I kneel down. But this year I've experienced a part where ngabona ukuthi has menguqile ngathi nje angizwakali. I ended up like standing up now, I ended up standing up and then praying while I'm standing. So this journey is just amazing. I don't want to lie. I'm smiling now, but when I was praying, bekunzima bengizela. That's the highlight. Bengizila, maybe I would eat once, nakhona mangidlile once, ngidla very light food, just because of mangikhuleka ivoice angithi kumele ukuthi iphume. So izophuma kanjani isisu sigcwele? So nje ukuzila kwami nokukhuleka nyambulelwa ngiyaboniswa, and there are certain things ozoziboniswa zona isikhathi masiloko losihamba. Ngikhulume futhi ngeikhali zethu ke ziyahluka. Kuzogcina la sebekubonisa a different type of iskali. I'm talking about less iskali because of I was watching this other I don't know, it's a podcast or what, but this lady came apete a sword. Yeah, so people were like, wow, why is she carrying a sword? So I was laughing at Kaleni while I was watching. Geez, people don't know. People don't have the spiritual information. Masupati sword pela, you are a higher ranking spiritual being. I nigwa no mobani sword. When you have a sword now, ngogo moyai unzima. Yes, iskali leso, but isword phela mangiklaba manje, ngingaklaba la, ngingaklaba enhlizweni. It even represents the authority onayo ngokuka moya. Hey. I don't mean to laugh, but hey, yeah, you must respect us, because we must come with a better masword. Kunzima, we are God's chosen and we are given authority. So that authority, we must use it properly. So, like I'm saying, continue to pray. Continue to pray. Prayer is very much powerful. When you feel like your knees are failing you, stand up and continue to pray. Continue to pray. Continue to pray. Uqoshe umoya omubi. Uzozibona izinto ezikuthusayo, uzozibona izinto ezikuterrifyayo, but continue to pray. Noma ungabe ufeel fear, kodwa continue with prayer. Ubone ulungelwa, and you will thank yourself. Trust you me, because of uNkulunkulu is with you in the whole process. La wena ucabanga ukuthi uyafa khona, akusindise, akuvikele, and uyazi ukuthi ufuna ukukupusha to what limit, ngoba naye egcineni ufuna ukukubonisa amandla akwembathise wona. So mase ke kubonisile lamandla bese ke ayangenelela ya intervene ke, usho ukuthi wow, kwaze kwanzima, but with God all things are possible. I love you so much, guys. Continue to pray with opening your heart, so that you can start feeling things moving. Because you'll just feel stagnant. But if you start being intentional, trust me, things move. And then end up get uzibona nawe physical. I love you so much, guys. Akube no bumbano, no swana, no tando. Kaphat kwamakhaya wenu.